Guys, this is Kevin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video on YouTube, let me get straight to the matter. The best way on how you can use your credit card in a way that it will help you or it will work for you. I wouldn't say it's really things that banks do not want you to know about, but it's things that I think you need to know about. So if you happen to skip this video before I get to the core of the matter, one thing you must know is I wanted to tell you that credit card is not your money, number one. Number two, never withdraw from a credit card. Number three, do not buy fuel with a credit card. If you're still here, we're approaching 1 minute of this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Well, here's my reason of why you should never withdraw buy fuel with your credit card. It's because when you withdraw money from your credit card, it immediately charges you interest. When you buy fuel with your credit card, you immediately get charged interest. But if you use your credit card to swipe at your food shop, at your clothing shop, anywhere, you don't get to pay interest immediately. You pay interest after 57 days, which puts you in an advantage whereby if you're smart enough about how you use your credit card, you might find yourself using your credit card every month for free. What I do personally is I use a credit card a lot. I use my credit card a lot. In fact, I'll say for almost everything, buy my groceries, paying my account, and anything that I might be buying food at a restaurant and all this thing, I use my credit card. But what I do is immediately if I go and sit down, buy something for 50 rand, I immediately take that 50 rand from my check account and send it back to my credit card. But even though I don't have that 50 rand immediately, I make sure that within 57 days, my credit card allows me to be interest free for up to 57 days. Within 57 days, I send back the money. That helps me with what? I won't have to pay any interest, which means I've used the bank's money for free. And if I've got emergencies, but those emergency, I need to swipe. I can't have an emergency whereby I need to transfer money, I need to withdraw, I need to buy fuel, not with a credit card. That's not what a credit card is meant for. I know some people treat a credit card as an emergency kind of fund, but if you get emergencies whereby you need to withdraw, it's not advisable because you will be paying a lot of interest. For example, my credit card have something that is called Greenbacks. I'm with Nedbank, and to put a disclaimer, excuse me, this video it's purely my opinion. I'm not paid by Nedbank to say whatever I'm saying. My credit card I've got what is called Greenbacks, and I've got two cards. I've got a Visa card and I've got an American Express card. So with Nedbank, whenever I use my American Express credit card to pay for my transactions, I get more Greenbacks. At the moment, I'm sitting at close to 500 for last month for Greenbacks, and it is because I've paid with my credit card a lot of things that I've bought throughout the month. So I've got points, and those points are rand value. I can use them to buy airtime, I can withdraw the Greenbacks, I can literally do anything with the Greenbacks. I even have a special Greenbacks card. So for me, that's a win. Number one, the money that I've used for my credit card, I've sent it back already from my check account, which means I don't owe Nedbank. And number two, I've got points using the credit cards, which is money, the 400. And that's free money for me because I didn't have to pay interest. So I've got with my current account, there's a monthly fee. Trust me, that 400 rand, it's enough to pay my monthly fee for the bank account. So to me, it's a win. If I can think about it now, I'll never stop using my credit card because it is the best thing ever that happened to me. Everything that I do whereby it's not fuel and it's not withdrawing, I pay with my credit card. So if anything, one thing I want to leave you with from this video is never use your credit card to withdraw, or pay fuel. What I usually do is month end I calculate how many things that I have to pay. It can be clothing accounts, it can be my phone contracts, and all these things that I have to like swipe. And then I'll know, okay, my transaction, for example, they're gonna cost like 5,000, and then I transfer 5,000 to the credit card, and then I go to swiping spree with my credit card. And if now I go to maybe one of the retail shop, I wanna buy myself a t-shirt, I check how much is it. Okay, it's $200. I use my credit card American Express because I get more greenbacks. I use my American Express greenbacks card to pay for that t-shirt, and then after that I transfer that 300 rand immediately back to my credit card. That way I'm getting points, greenbacks, and I'm not paying interest, which means it's a win to me. So guys, this is basically tips for you on how to actually use your credit card the best way you can, and how to make sure that the credit card works for you. So people who are hustlers, if you need to go buy stock, you can use your credit card to go swipe the stock for 5,000 and make sure that within 57 days you have made back that money. Pay back the credit card with that interest. You started a business with a credit card for free. Guys, these are my finance 101 tips. I don't want to make this video so long. I want to keep it short, and I will explain why withdrawals and fuel are being charged immediately on another video. But for now, guys, goodbye, and I hope this video was audible, because where I'm sitting right now there's a bit of cars moving and there's a bit of noise. If you're new or if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.